So I want to make a quick video about this smart outlet. This thing is really cool. I've been playing with it today and I just want to show you how it works. I love this thing. If you're looking for an outlet, it's really easy. It's very well made, as you can see here. You plug in one outlet in the back here, and the other stuff is a dummy. The other part's a dummy. So you just plug it right in the whole outlet and you end up with like 6 outlets. And that's a great deal. 2 for 6, I'll take that. So 3 are controlled 100%, as you can see here. And then you got 3 USBs in the bottom here. And you can control all these. So you can control 3 of the switches and you can control the USB. You just set up so easy. Just click on the app, download the app, set it up, configure it. This goes 2.8 gigahertz as you're on your Wi-Fi system. Really easy. You can see here the device sets up pretty quickly, and you got your smart plug ready to go. And you can use your phone. You can use Alexa. You can use Google. Doesn't really matter. I like the app on the IO, and the app really works well. I love it. And you can see here when I'm pressing on the buttons, you can see them actually going live. You can change the name of the plugs. You can do so many different things with this thing. I love this thing. This thing is really convenient. You can see when I hit them on, off, they just go on and off. I love it. And this is what it looks like in the box. Definitely recommend this item if you're looking for a smart switch. This is the one I definitely love a lot.